Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prashant Kumar. I am a student of Siemens Professional College, Patna. I am pursuing MBA from this college, and thank you, Raju Upadhyay sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present what is template and how we create template. So let us start. First, what is template? A template is a pre-designed set of slides which provides a consistent layout, color scheme, fonts, and formatting for a presentation. It helps you to create professional looking slides quickly without having a design each slide from a scratch. So let us start how we create template. So firstly, go in search bar, double click on PowerPoint, select blank presentation, go in view tab. In view tab you all see there is a column, and column name is master view. In master view, select slide master, go in first slide, click on it. After that, go in insert tab. In insert tab there is a column, and the column name is images. In images, select pictures, insert from this device, desktop. I will choose our college logo and insert it. You all see in every slide our college logo will appear. So let it put in the side. After that we save our presentation. So go in file tab, save as, this PC, documents, and change save as type PowerPoint template and save it. Now cut it. Again open PowerPoint, go in search bar, type PowerPoint, double click on it, select blank presentation, go in design tab, select browse for themes, go in document, custom official templates, and apply on it. You all see the current slide of the presentation, the template is applied. If I choose another slide, the template is already applied. If I choose another one slide, the template is already applied. If I choose multiple of slides, the template is already applied. So that's all my side. If you have any question, please ask. Yes, Sushil?
Yes. My question is, when the template was formed and save it, then what is the extension name of your template in save in your PC?
This is a very interesting question, and the answer is POTM or POTX.
Yes, right.
How can I change the background of the selected slide?
Okay.
Please do it.
Okay, I will do it. Select any slide of the current presentation and right click on it, go in format background and picture for texture. You will see our background will be changed. Okay, yes, follow. Come here, because the mic is.
You can come forward.
You can come forward, follow.
please tell me what is the difference between theme and template?
Themes are applied in background of the slides, and templates are a specific thing that applied in each slides. Are you satisfied, Fuller? So that's all my side. Thank you.
Here I wanted to do one correction. What she asked about the themes. So we can say that theme is a group of different kind of settings together at one place. However, template is again, it is a set of setting which we wanted to apply on each and every slide of our presentation. Right. So this is the minor correction. So we have to take, because we are going to set the themes in so many different places. At the operating system level also, we can set the themes. We can create a set of settings together. We create it, we can save it as a theme, and as and when it is needed, we can apply that theme into our background and other places. Anyway, Prashant, it is a really very impressive presentation which you gave about the how to create the template of a PowerPoint, and this is a very, very important requirement for every presenter who creates the PowerPoint to give the presentation to the audience. Because if you wanted to have the uniform look and feel of your presentation for every slide, so rather modifying each and every slide, why don't we create a template for the PowerPoint slides? So you create a template, what he explained very nicely, and then created template can be applied on any new presentation. Right. So thank you very much, Prashant, once again.
Thank you, sir.